What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, and as a content creator, we all seek to have the best internet. And a lot of people, my van lifers, my adventurers, the content creators, we all know we need the best internet. And by far, in this little box, may be the world's best internet. When I tell you, this is an item by CSG, Connected Solutions Group. In this Pelican case, I've been having this about 16 months. So about a year and a half I've been having this. And when I tell you this thing is not cheap, but it's worth every penny. This is about $1,600. It's beat up. You can see we got the WAN ports, a USB charging port, and a LAN port. They come with covers, like on this side. This is the charging port. You can see they come with these, but this is beat up. I think now they have a Mobile Command Center 2 out. This is the Mobile Command Center Mini. I think this originally came out about 3 or 4 years ago. Like I said, I've been having this about a year and a half. And if you are traveling and you always need internet, this is by far the best internet to me in the world. This is powered by Verizon. It has 5G, it's rugged, it's durable, it's waterproof. In certain cases, it's waterproof. If you got all the ports plugged up, for me, of course it won't be waterproof because I broke a couple of these things on here. All right, so I'm gonna open this up for you guys, and it is just so you can see inside. So I covered up, my Wi-Fi password, model number, so you hackers can't get into this. But Cradle Point provides the modem for this this item. But you guys get a chance, Google contact Connected Solutions Group and look into getting one of these. If you travel a lot, it's small, it weighs about 6 pounds, it's durable, it's tough, and this is my ultimate everyday carry. When I tell you EDC, everyday carry, this is my internet every day. I'm like Radio Raheem with this, man. I be out here like, look, when I tell you, I don't go nowhere without this internet. You can be in a dead zone. You could be on top of a tree, cutting a tree. You got this on your backpack, in your bag, you're gonna have some internet, jack. Dominican Republic, in the mountains, at the river, in the middle of the ocean, this thing float. And if you fly a drone, right? If you fly a drone and you always need like Wi-Fi for your drone, you better get you one of these minis, man. Mobile Command Center Mini. Yo, Mike at CSG, man, send me them the 2.0, man. I need the 2.0, man. I dogged this one out. When I tell you guys, I am in love with this internet. This is my baby. This is the best internet in the world. Google it, do your research. It's worth every penny. I've dogged this one out. And it stay charged for so long. It has a battery inside that you could take it anywhere. This is the power port. That's the power port. It's another USB port. See, hey, Mike, CSG, I need better, I'm gonna need some more port covers, man. Look at that. I just broke. I literally only have one port cover left. So I won't be taking this in the ocean or down to the river. But guys, this is the ultimate everyday carry if you need Wi-Fi. Google it, look it up. Thank me later. Yo, matter of fact, Mike, CSG, I need like a Amazon affiliate link. They don't sell this on Amazon, I don't think, though. The best internet in the world. This is the best internet in the world. Mobile Command Center Mini. I gotta get the new one though. This is like the worst review. This is like the worst review. I done just broke the last damn port thing. I mean, I gotta do a better job with these port things, man. But it works. Yo, Mike, man, help me out, man. I need some more port covers, man. Y'all have a good day. Hey, I'll keep my internet with me, man. The internet stay with me, man. Man, I got to go. Y'all take it easy. Just so you know, this shit work.